In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your notification settings in Microsoft Teams to optimize focus and productivity. Notifications can be both essential and disruptive, so it's important to manage them effectively. Let's dive into a straightforward process that ensures you stay engaged with your work without unnecessary interruptions. First, let's head over to Microsoft Teams. You can open the Teams application directly from your desktop if you have it installed, or navigate to the Teams website through your preferred browser. Once you're there, make sure you're signed into your account to access all the settings you'll need. Now that you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the app interface where you'll find your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to select Settings, which is where we can tweak your notifications to find the perfect balance for your workflow. Upon entering the Settings menu, look for the Notifications and Activities section. It's here that you will have control over the various notifications you receive. This section allows you to configure how you get notified about messages, mentions, and other types of alerts within Teams. The interface is quite user-friendly, with plenty of toggles and drop-downs to help tailor these settings to your preferences. The key step we're focusing on today is how to mute all notifications. This is particularly useful if you're looking to minimize interruptions during certain hours or while working on focused tasks. Within the Notifications and Activity section, simply look for the option labeled Mute All Notifications. With one click, you can toggle this feature on. By doing this, you silence all notifications, allowing for a completely focused work session without distractions. And just like that, you're done adjusting your notification settings in Microsoft Teams. Remember, these settings are flexible, and you can revisit them at any time to turn notifications back on or further customize what you hear and see. Whether you're trying to avoid distractions for a set period or need peace and quiet indefinitely, being in control of your notifications is essential. Managing notifications effectively ensures that you remain productive and don't miss crucial updates. Feel free to experiment with different settings to find what works best for your unique work style. As you become more accustomed to this process, adjusting your notifications will take just moments, making it even easier to maintain a distraction-free environment. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like these. Until next time, stay productive and enjoy a seamless experience with Microsoft Teams.